Good day everyone. We are here to discuss about the one-to-one function.
A function was defined as a relation in which input has exactly one output. That is, each input is mapped to a single output value. A one-to-one function is a function in which each input value is mapped to one-to-one unique output value. In another way, no two input elements have the same output value.
Alright, ngayon na ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo ito. Kahulugan ng function ay isang relasyon kung saan bawat input ay may eksaktong isang output. Ibig sabihin, bawat input ay iniuugnay sa isang solong output, ang tinatawag na one-to-one o isa sa isa. Na function naman ay isang function kung saan bawat input value ay iniuugnay sa isang natatanging output value. Sa ibang salita, walang dalawang input na may parehong output value. Ito ay isang paraan ng pagsasabi na ang bawat pagsasama ng input at output ay nagiging espesyal at hindi nagkakapareho. Kung nais mo mga ako magbigay ng ibang halimbawa o paliwanag, ito ay i-comment mo lang at ito ay aking sasagutin. Maraming salamat.
A one-to-one function ensures uniqueness in the mapping between elements of the domain and codomain, avoiding any duplication in the outputs for different inputs. If a vertical line touches the graph at more than one point, or if you find two different inputs that give the same output, then it's not a one-to-one function. Otherwise, if each input has a unique output, it is a one-to-one function. So, para matukoy natin kung one-to-one function ng isang given, pwede tayong gumamit ng isang mapping diagram. And just like in this mapping diagram, every x value is paired with y value. And wala tayong nakikitang x value na may same pair sa y value. Therefore, we can call it one-to-one function. However, kapag nakita natin sa mapping diagram na ang dalawang x value ay parehas ng pair sa y value, we cannot call it a one-to-one function.
Paano naman po kung equation ang given natin? Paano naman po natin malalaman kung one-to-one function ba ito o hindi? For example, f of x equal to 2x minus 5. Given po yung definition. F sub 1 equal to f sub 2. 2x sub 1 minus 5 using the given function equal to 2x sub 2 minus 5. X sub 1 equal to x sub 2. Pag equal is one-to-one function po siya. Mas madali po tandaan kung pag one-to-one function kapag po ang degree or the highest degree po ng function nyo is odd number.
How about this one naman? The given is f of x equals to x squared plus 3. So again, same process lang. X squared sub 1 plus 3 equals to x squared sub 2 plus 3. So, dito makaka-cancel out po yung 3 and may iwan yung x squared. Using the square root method para po matanggal natin yung squares sa x and gagamitan po natin ng square root method. So, dyan po nakikita po natin na positive and negative sub 1 equals to positive negative. So, makikita natin dyan na may dalawang sign. So, dito pa lang, that will be not one-to-one function. Dahil kapag sinubstitute natin si positive 2 at si negative 2 doon kay x, meron pa silang isang output. So, gets? So, ang ibig sabihin nito ay may dalawang value ng x na iisa lang yung output. Pag even numbers pala is hindi po siya not one-to-one function.
We have here more examples. So, given the function f of x is equal to x plus 7, we can determine it as one-to-one function since the highest degree is 1. Number 2, g of x is equal to x to the 4th plus 5. we can determine it as not one-to-one function since the highest degree is even number. Number 3, j of x is equal to x to the 6 plus 2. We can also determine it as not one-to-one function. Number 4, p of x is equal to x to the 5th minus 7. It is an odd number, so we can determine it as one-to-one function. Number 5, w of x is equal to x squared plus 2. We can determine it as not one-to-one function. So always remember, if it is an odd number, it is automatically a one-to-one function. If even number naman ang highest degree, it is automatically a not one-to-one function. Paano naman kung mag-represent tayo ng mga real-life situations? So for our example number 1, student to its LRN number. So 'di ba, kada isang students is meron lamang siyang specific na LRN number at hindi ito pwedeng madoble o maulit sa isa pang estudyante. So basically, one student, one LRN number. So it is a one-to-one function. So for number 2 naman, SSS member to its SSS number. So parang kagaya lang din ng LRN number. Dapat is sa bawat tao meron lamang siyang iisang SSS number at hindi ito pwedeng maulit o madoble sa ibang number. So katulad kanina, one SSS member is one SSS number, so it is also a one-to-one function. Para dito naman, fare to the traveled or fare to the distance traveled. So for example, nagsakay ka ng jeep and yung pamasahe niya is 13. So sa ibang lugar is 13 pa rin yung magiging pamasahe niya. So paulit-ulit lang or umuulit lang yung pamasahe niya. So meaning it is not one-to-one function. Citizenship of a person. So we can still consider it as a function since bawat tao naman ay may citizenship. However, pwede tayong magkaroon ng dalawang citizenship or yung tinatawag na dual citizenship. So we can consider it as not one-to-one function. So for our last example, true or false question to answers. So 'di ba, kada isang tanong, hindi naman pwedeng dalawa yung sagot mo. Although pwedeng dalawa, pero sa true or false, isa lang siya. It's either true, it's either false. So we can consider it as one-to-one function since every specific question has a specific answer. So isa lang ang pwede maging answer mo, true or false.
So one-to-one function. If a vertical line drawn anywhere on the graph of a relation only intersect the graph at one point, then that graph represents a function. If a vertical line can intersect the graph at two or more points, then the graph does not represent a function. So, ibig sabihin daw, pag nag-draw tayo ng vertical line sa graph, dapat isang point lang yung madadaanan ng drawing natin na vertical line para masabi siyang one-to-one function. Kapag naman dalawang point ang nadaanan ng vertical line, meaning hindi siya nagre-represent ng one-to-one function. So like for example, gaya nito, itong sample sa PowerPoint. So ayan, sinulat ko siya. Ito yung example ng not one-to-one function. So makikita nyo sa una, yung sa A, yan. Yung sa hindi one-to-one function is kasi sa isang line, dalawang point na dadaanan niya. So dapat dadaan lang yung line ng isang beses kagaya dito sa pangalawang example. So, ayun, dapat dadaan lang yung line ng yung isang beses kagaya nito. Ito one-to-one function, so ito lang. So, isang beses lang siyang dadaan sa line. Hindi kagaya nitong isa na not one-to-one na dumaan siya ng dalawang linya. Ito, which is, ano yan? Ito, dalawang linya. Kuhitan lang natin para makita nyo. Ayun o, ginuhitan ko ng X. Yung dalawang line na nadaanan niya. Meaning, yung example A is not one-to-one function. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat.
And that would be all for our discussion on one-to-one function. We hope that you learned and we give you much information about it.